We can take another round. Letoo.
Let me start. If you continued serving as the chair for budget, my name is Letoo, Citizen TV. If you continued serving as the budget chair, will you allocate in the 2025-2026 financial year 72 billion shillings for chapati?
Let me take a few more. Yes, my brother. That cannot be answered alone.
My name is from Trends. What do you regret as a national leader in terms of what you are doing, the course that you are holding, and because you've spoken about what you achieved, what did you not achieve that you wanted to achieve?
Let me answer those two because I want to be precise. Letoo, I don't know where you got that math from, and I don't know whether you're asking about Kiharu because we do that in our day schools. We offer that in our day schools once a month. Is it a Kiharu question or a national question? Since I am not here now, let me not hypothesize on what I would do if I was one now. But Murisikia hiyo sorry ya Letoo. Letoo, you want to box me in a corner. I'll answer you that in camera. Because I also don't want to deflect from this. It's a good question, but I also don't want to wander so far. I'll give you that answer, Letoo. And I'll also give you a calculator so that you do the right calculations. Daniel from Daily Trades.